This car vacuum cleaner is a compact yet powerful tool that makes car cleaning a breeze, especially with its impressive suction power. The handheld vacuum isn't just your average cleaner, it's designed with a 120-watt brushless motor, which not only gives it a longer lifespan, but also makes it quieter and more efficient compared to those with brush motors. If you've ever struggled to clean out pet hair or stubborn debris from your car seats, this vacuum's powerful suction handles it with ease, making it a reliable option for keeping your car spotless. One of the major highlights of this vacuum is its 4-in-1 functionality. It doesn't just vacuum, it can also act as an air blower, inflate swimming rings, and even deflate storage bags. This versatility makes it a handy tool to have around whether you're detailing your car, tidying up your home, or preparing for a trip. The vacuum is also equipped with 13 multifunctional accessories, including a 12.6-inch extended vacuum hose that's perfect for reaching those tricky corners in your car. Plus, it comes with a sturdy storage bag to keep all the attachments organized and ready for use. The vacuum's 3-speed adjustment feature allows you to tailor the suction or blowing power according to the task at hand. Whether you need a gentle blow for delicate electronics or full power to clean out your car, this vacuum can handle it. It's also equipped with stainless steel and HEPA filters, which are layered to effectively trap dust and debris. The large 400 milliliter dust collection bucket means you won't need to stop and empty it frequently, which adds to its convenience. The rotating handle and built-in LED light are thoughtful additions that make maneuvering and cleaning dark corners much easier. In conclusion, this car vacuum cleaner is a solid investment for anyone looking for a versatile and powerful cleaning tool. Its multiple functions and robust performance make it well worth considering, especially if you want a cleaner that can handle more than just vacuuming.